Missing that familiar pinch to zoom gesture you have gotten used to on your smartphone or laptop? Feel like your desktop setup, even with a great keyboard and a mouse, is still missing that one little piece to complete the control puzzle? Today I'm unboxing a wireless touchpad, and together we'll find out, is this the solution we have been looking for? Let's get started. This is the PERIPAD-704 model by Perixx, a German company specializing in high quality input devices. Let's open the box and see what we got. So in the box we've got the touchpad, the USB dongle and a simple user manual. That's all you get. Make sure to notice the power button. You've got two clicky buttons with that satisfying sound we all love, and of course the main touchpad surface. Slide the dongle out to the right so we can plug it into the computer. Let's open the battery cover and insert two AAA batteries. All set, time to connect it to the PC and see how it works. Cursor movement works perfectly. Simple click works great. Vertical scrolling works as well. Double click also working perfectly. Drag and drop, that's working too. Pinch to zoom, yep, that's working too. Overall, it feels solid, and the size is super practical. It's super responsive for daily tasks, but hey, it's not meant for gaming, so keep that in mind. The only downside I found is that the two physical buttons can sometimes be pressed accidentally while using the touchpad. For example, during scrolling or zooming, which can lead to unintended clicks, like opening a menu you didn't mean to. If the buttons required just a bit more pressure to register a click, it would have been perfect. The device connects wirelessly via USB dongle, no drivers or software needed, it's true plug and play. Powered by two AAA batteries, well built and responsive for everyday use. The price is fine. Supported functions: single click, cursor movement, double click, vertical scrolling, drag and drop, and pinch to zoom. Main drawback: the two physical buttons are a bit too sensitive and can be pressed accidentally while using the touchpad, especially during scrolling or zooming, which may trigger unwanted menus and interrupt your workflow. I bought it from Amazon Germany since other websites didn't offer shipping to my region. It cost me 42 euros, including home delivery. As always, I'll leave a purchase link in the video description for anyone interested, but I strongly recommend doing a quick price check. You might be able to find it cheaper elsewhere by the time you're watching this. So what do you think? Does this device really complete the puzzle and give you the full control you have been looking for on your PC? In my opinion, absolutely yes, but I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the review, give it a like. It helps me out and it really helps the YouTube algorithm too. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now's the time. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again very soon in the next video.